Just got a new item delivered today. Time for an unboxing video. Guess what it is, everyone? Revealing the answer. It's a silicone door stopper. Why buy a door stopper after living here for over half a year? Because the guest bathroom is quite small. The bathroom door is right next to the shower door. Magnetic floor-mounted stoppers couldn't be installed. When the door was installed, the vendor gave a free silicone door stopper. I've been making do with it ever since. This silicone stopper has seriously strong suction. Once it sticks, it's a bit of a struggle to pull it open. It also looks a bit ugly. After some time, the door handle started loosening. Every so often, I had to tighten it with an Allen wrench. I forgot to tighten it recently. The day before yesterday, the handle got sucked onto the wall and pulled off. It fell to the floor, chipping the edges. So I searched online and found this door stopper. To match the shower door, I bought the gunmetal gray wall-mounted version. Mounted it at the top of the door. Used the included adhesive backing to secure it. So far, the bond seemed pretty solid. The only issue is it looks ugly from outside. Haven't figured out a good way to hide it yet. Now let's see how it performs after installation. The cushioning and suction are super smooth, with minimal noise. Pulling it open is also pretty effortless plus. The adhesive backing is incredibly sturdy and reliable.